Here you go, Mopar fans. 1969 Plymouth GTX Convertible. This is a true GTX, obviously 440 car then. Automatic transmission in this one. If you decode this vehicle, the way you see it is pretty much the way that it came from Plymouth in 1969. Somewhat of a rare car also. As far as convertible GTXs, somewhere in the neighborhood of about 700 of them were made, and I kind of looked at it a little bit. From what I came up with, somewhere in the mid 300 range, 360, 370 with automatics. So I'm not going to see a lot of these out there. Now, when I said it was this way, the way you see it is the way it came from Plymouth back in the day. Decoding this vehicle, just to give you a few of them, Y2 was the paint color, so it would have been yellow. It did have vinyl bucket seats, and they were the premium vinyl seats. The interior of it was the kind of the copper bronze color that you're going to see. The interior painted on the sides. Come up here and show you. So yellow exterior, the deluxe bucket seats, and it was also ordered with an automatic, so the shifter on the column, that is all correct. Somebody didn't take a bench seat car, throw buckets in it. The way you see this interior is the way it decodes and the way that it would have came. You can check out that data tag if you want to see it for yourself. Decode it, you'll see what I'm talking about. Check out the still pictures, where you can find a picture of that data tag, at uniqueclassiccars.com. Or feel free to give us a call too if you got any questions on this. Give us a call at 507-386-1726. These were actually an option on there, the fender mounted turn signals. You can see it's riding on the stock style wheel with red lines. Very nice looks of this car. Car has been restored, repainted, what have you. Still has a 440 underneath the hood. We'll fire that up in a little bit. We'll take a look at the engine compartment. Still retains the stock AM radio. AM radio does work, wipers work. Came with 3-speed wipers from the factory. Power top. Black in color, top's in nice shape. Overall, nice driver quality vehicle. And like I said, you do not see a lot of these convertible GTXs out there. Like I said, somewhere in the neighborhood, 700 give or take made. And especially one that's kept pretty original from the way that it would have came in 1969 off the showroom floor. Now, of course, we do consider trades. Financing's available, and we can sure assist you with the transportation to where you're located at. See, the paint has nice finish to it. Again, I'd consider it a driver quality. Is a trailer queen by any means? No. Is it very presentable? Absolutely. And once again, still pictures. uniqueclassiccars.com. You can check out the top up, top down, underside, engine bay. Check out all the pictures of this car. uniqueclassiccars.com. Our phone number, 507-386-1726. Feel free to give us a call. I'll be happy to help you out with this. As you can see, very stock on the inside. Dash is not full of cracks. Seats are not ripped or torn. Quite nice shape. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. Nice running, nice sounding car. A little rumble out of that 440 underneath the hood. Like I said, radio does work. Full aftermarket oil gauge has been added. Other than that, pretty much stock looking dash. Odometer shows 75,731, is it? Can't confirm or deny it. That's original miles. Don't have the paperwork that follows through on that, but the car has been restored since then. Also, as you can see, gauges. Gasoline gauge does work. Alternator worked. Temperature, I'm guessing, comes up as the car warms up again. Wipers worked. Everything seems to be in working order as far as dash and interior on this one. Slip around to the back here. So great sounding 440. I'm going to come up to the front here and pause this a second. We're going to pop this hood so I can show you the engine bay and how it looks under the hood. All right, there we go. Got the hood popped. Nice it is underneath here. There's that 440 Super Commando engine. Power steering car, obviously, there. Data tag is there. Check that out. In the still pictures. Take a good look at the engine bay, trunk, interior. Again, those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Again, financing's available. We do consider trades. We can assist with the shipping and getting that set up to get this car to where you're located at. 1969 Plymouth GTX Convertible. Real deal. Look forward to hearing from you.